Hey guys, I'm Lazy Guy DIY, and today I'm going to show you how to add a pop of color into a room like we did here by painting the floor and adding a floor stencil, adding a little bit more personality in here. So it's not as difficult as you think. It is a little monotonous, but I'm going to show you how I did it. After a little bit of measuring, we pulled out our laser level and then we started running tape lines for our color block that would go on the bottom. We're using Secret Society blue from Behr Paint, and we started rolling it on and we let this dry. It takes about 24 hours you can actually start walking on it, so you make sure you want to give yourself some time. From there, we know we needed to have a chalk line around the outside edge, so I'm using the laser level again, and then we're measuring 1 inch around, marking it, and that way we have a guide for our stencil when it's time to put it down. Just remember that accuracy matters here if you want your stencils to line up in the end, so pay attention. While actually applying the stencils, you'll notice there's an overlay that matches up. It makes it very simple to go on to the next stencil. I tried using a roller to begin with, but it just got a little too gloopy and messy, so I'm using a round brush here and I'm just stippling it in. This actually took forever. It took a few hours to do the whole border, but it was worth it. It should hold up for quite a long time and it looks great. So don't freak out. It is kind of fun and it looks good too. One thing I will add is you want to buy at least 2 stencils. That way you can alternate between the two while you're working on one color block. I like to dab it with a paper towel in between. That's the way it's drying, and then you go on to the next one. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you head on over to lazyguydiy.com. Check out the full laundry room makeover. We had a scary basement. We made it awesome now. So make sure you check this video and hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up if you like this. Thanks guys, and there'll be more on Lazy Guy DIY coming soon.